What's in the box? Today we're unboxing the Ulanzi magnetic iPhone tripod mount, and we are seeing what it comes with. So this MagSafe mount is compatible with any device that is MagSafe compatible. It is also only compatible with cases that have the MagSafe ring on it. Alright, let's see what it is. It also has a cold shoe mount so that you can mount lights, microphones, other accessories onto the mount. Some warning, qualified certificate, went through quality inspections, and let's see, comes with a mag ring, so you can, if you don't have one, you can take the sticker off and apply that to the back of your phone or your case to make it compatible with this tripod mount. Alright, and it has the cold shoe, and it fits into a 1/4 inch screw, so it's compatible with most tripods and accessories.